The Stanford Prison Experiment. The Stanford Prison Experiment, conducted in 1971 by psychologist Philip Zimbardo, is a significant yet controversial study in the field of psychology. It aimed to explore the psychological effects of perceived power by assigning the roles of guards and prisoners to participants in a simulated prison environment. This experiment, which took place in the basement of Stanford University's psychology building, involved 24 male college students who were selected to either enact the role of a prison guard or a prisoner. Zimbardo's primary interest investigating how situational forces influence behavior. This interest was partly inspired by the findings of his former classmate, Stanley Milgram, known for his obedience experiment. The setup included makeshift prison cells, and roles were assigned randomly to the participants. The guards were allowed to return home after their shifts, while the prisoners remained in the mock prison round the clock. The experiment was planned for 2 weeks, but was abruptly terminated on the 6th day due to ethical concerns and the participants' severe emotional distress. The guards exhibited increasingly abusive behavior, while the prisoners showed signs of extreme stress and depression. Notably, Zimbardo himself, who acted as the warden, became absorbed in the experiment, overlooking the escalating abuses until external intervention by graduate student Christina Maslach. The experiment received widespread attention and was frequently cited in academic circles, demonstrating the powerful impact of situational dynamics on individual behaviors. It suggested that people could act against their personal morals under certain conditions due to the roles they were given. However, the Stanford Prison Experiment faced significant criticism regarding its ethical standards, scientific validity, and generalizability. Critics argued that the experiment involved unethical treatment of participants, lacked informed consent, and provided inadequate debriefing. Recent reviews and analyses have also questioned the authenticity of the participants' behavior, suggesting that some of the extreme responses were exaggerated or falsified to meet the researchers' expectations. The experiment's ecological validity was also challenged, as it could not accurately replicate the complexities of real-life prison conditions. Despite its methodological and ethical flaws, the experiment continues to be a topic of discussion in understanding human psychology. It serves as a cautionary tale about the ethical responsibilities of researchers and the potent influence of situational factors on behavior.